Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are your joints getting stiffer as you age? Tingling hands, wobbly legs, or slow movements can feel like your body is betraying you. But here's the good news. You can turn it around naturally. By the time you're over 40, your body loses up to 50% of its collagen, the very protein that keeps your joints, nerves, and muscles working smoothly. But don't worry, it's not too late. Stay until the end, because I'm sharing 8 collagen-rich snacks that not only ease joint pain but can strengthen your legs, reduce tingling in your hands, and help you feel more energetic, without expensive supplements. Collagen is your body's glue. It supports your joints, helps nerves fire correctly, and keeps muscles strong. Without it, stiffness, pain, and weakness sneak in. Even simple snacks with the right nutrients can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. No pills, no creams, just real food. 1 dark chocolate, 70% cacao, rich in antioxidants that protect existing collagen. How to eat: 1-2 small squares per day with tea or coffee. 2 almonds or mixed nuts packed with vitamin E, copper, and healthy fats, all help collagen formation. 3 tuna or salmon snack pack, high in protein plus omega-3 that reduces inflammation. Good for joints too. Eat with whole grain crackers or cucumber slices. 4 orange slices or mandarins. Vitamin C, are essential for collagen production. Super quick, just peel and eat. Also, great for energy. 6 hard-boiled egg whites contain proline, a key collagen amino acid. 7 bone broth in a thermos, natural source of collagen, gelatin. Tip: drink a cup before lunch to stay full and support skin elasticity. 8 collagen smoothie. Add 1 scoop collagen powder plus 1 banana plus water or almond milk. 1 Greek yogurt plus berries, high in protein, amino acids, collagen building blocks, plus vitamin C from berries. How to make: just add a handful of strawberries or blueberries to plain Greek yogurt. After enjoying these, try a simple ankle and wrist rotation for 1 minute to stimulate blood flow. Your joints will thank you. For chicken bone broth bites, simmer chicken bones 8 hours with veggies. Gel forms, ½ cup daily, rebuilds connective tissue and repairs nerves. Cantaloupe mint cubes, 1 cup cantaloupe, plum lime, plum mint, plum pistachios, high in vitamin C, essential for collagen, refreshing and hydrates. If you like salad, don't forget to try this. Tomato caprese salad snack. Tomato, mozzarella or avocado, olive oil, and fresh basil. Lycopene plus vitamin C protects existing collagen and helps build new collagen. Mild anti-inflammatory and joint support. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava, Greek yogurt, honey, lime, and almonds or walnuts. Packed with vitamin C and protein to rebuild collagen, boost energy, support nerves, and fight stiffness. Which snack are you most excited to try? Comment below, and remember, even adding 1 snack a day can start helping your joints and muscles feel stronger. Even small changes compound. Over weeks you'll notice stronger legs, less tingling, and improved energy. They all help you naturally rebuild collagen, ease joint pain, and keep you moving comfortably. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss more tips to feel stronger, more energized, and healthier every day.